Hey everybody, welcome back to Hello RC. This is Jason, and today I am out here at a soggy Crawler County with the Rc4wd drive Defender Heritage Edition. And this is Liz's truck, and she wanted to see her truck perform with these wheels and tires that I stole from the K10 yesterday and put on my Gelande. But this one is the pickup version of the Gelande 2. And it's the seafoam green, and just absolutely a great looking hard body, and we're going to see how it performs today with these tires. I expect it'll do pretty good, even though the conditions are just absolutely miserable. So let's go trail around in the mud, in the slop, and have some fun. Just an absolute mess out here right now. I'm not worried about the truck so much, but my footing isn't that great, so I'll try not to wipe myself out. But as soon as we make it over here to the course, I think we'll be in better conditions. I really liked how these looked and performed on the anniversary edition, so why not try them out on this truck? Because I think Liz and I will both end up getting a set of these tires for our trucks eventually. The stock tires just didn't really look that great or perform that great, but they were still great trucks. Now they're better. And as much as I like this seafoam green, this is like the perfect wife truck or girlfriend truck. If any of you guys out there aren't married, but just a beautiful looking rig. When Liz first saw this at the hobby shop, somebody had brought it in and they were looking to put new tires on it for probably the same reason we're testing these right now. But she saw it and had to know what it was and had one for herself within just a couple of days. A lot of standing water on the course today. Like I said, these tires come stock on the Rc4wd drive Trailfinder 2 K10, which I don't know if you guys saw, but they released an updated version of that truck today with basically the same suspension mods that we do on our Trailfinders and a couple new colors. But these tires are really good performing tires. They're 3.85 inch tires, and I think these are like 1.65 wide. Pretty impressive. This part here is always a little tricky for these lower straight axle trucks, especially trucks with metal axles like this one. Doesn't want to slide across the rock quite as easily. I really think this might be the perfect tire for this truck. Gonna try not to take the same paths that I took yesterday with the anniversary edition. Over top of Goose Hill Bridge. Let the drag brake slow me down. There we go. Oh, there I hung myself up pretty good. I don't know if you just saw that, but I just had a window glass fall out. I had that fall out earlier today. I thought I had it pressed back in good enough, but that'd be okay. I guess the guy wanted to roll his window down. All this rain was making it steam up. Well, I guess that would have been the passenger window, since this truck is a right-hand drive. So maybe his passenger needed some air. Here's where I think with the skinnier tires before, and they were more underneath of this vehicle, there's no way it would be able to hold that side hill there without tipping over, but today it's able to make it right on through there. Oh, look at that. That's just beautiful. Man, this thing's doing well. Well, it was a little bit of poor driving, but I was able to get out of it. Let's see if it has enough to make it up here. Back tires digging into the mud. Come on. You can do it. No, looks like I'm going to have to call the recovery rig. That was close. Okay, there we go. Recovery rig came and helped tow me past that rock right there. I think I'm going to take a different way down. See if we can get it turned around here. Okay, there we go. I would say that is an awesome performance by this little RC four-wheel drive truck right here with these tires, especially considering that it's just absolutely a sloppy wet mess. So if you're into RC crawling and like this sort of content, please consider subscribing. We do a lot of fun stuff out here, different rigs, different types of rigs, different upgrades, and even some competition. So we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. I'm going to trail this thing through the river back to where I started, and we'll see you next time.